Do you want to connect ManyChat to Facebook Messenger? You can set up ManyChat automation on your page Messenger with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to connect ManyChat to Facebook Messenger. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Make sure to check them out after watching this video. To connect ManyChat on Facebook Messenger, first, click on the ManyChat link I've added in the description. And by using that link, you'll get some extra benefits. You can use either on your mobile or computer web browser. Once you've clicked the link, you'll see a web page like this. Just click the Get Started button. On the next screen, you'll need to connect ManyChat with your Facebook account. Click Connect with Facebook to get started. A pop-up screen appears. From here, click Connect or just enter your username and password if you're not already logged in. Now, add your email address and verify it by entering the code sent to your email. Once that's done, just follow the on-screen instructions to complete your account setup. You need to connect your Facebook page. Select Facebook Messenger from the options, and then choose the Facebook page you want to link. Click Connect on the right side of your page. You'll now be given two options: either start with the free plan or activate the Pro trial. I'd recommend going with the Pro trial for the extra features, but the free plan works great too. Pick what works for you. ManyChat will ask you a few questions. Answer them and click Let's Start. That's it. You've successfully connected your Facebook Messenger to ManyChat, and you're ready to start automating your messages. Now, to set up automation, click on Automation from the menu on the left side of your screen. If this is your first time using ManyChat, you'll see a blank screen. No worries, just click New Automation at the top right. From there, you'll see a pop-up. You can either choose a pre-made template or click Start from scratch to create your own. This is where you can set up automatic replies for common questions and automate your customer interactions.